Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk to you about something that truly changed the way I think about water, independence, maybe at the future. What you're looking at right now is called the Smart Water Box. At first, when I heard about it, I honestly thought it sounded too good to be true. A system that can create clean water from the air around you. That sounded like science fiction. But the more I looked into it, the more I realized this is actually based on real technology that already exists and has been used in many industries for years. In a world where water shortages, rising costs, and environmental concerns are becoming more serious every year, solutions like this are not just interesting. They are necessary. So today, I want to walk you through what this is, how it works, and why so many people are excited about it. The Smart Water Box is a step-by-step system that teaches you how to build a device that extracts moisture from the air, condenses it, filters it, and turns it into usable water. We often think water only comes from taps, bottles, rivers, or wells. But what many people don't realize is that the air around us contains water vapor almost everywhere on Earth. This system is designed to capture that invisible moisture and transform it into something valuable. This type of technology has already been used in survival situations, military applications, and remote research stations. The difference now is that it has been simplified so everyday people can use it too. You don't need a factory. You don't need advanced engineering skills. You just follow the instructions. Let's talk about how it works. First, the system pulls warm air from the environment. That air naturally contains moisture. Then the air's cooled. When warm air cools, the moisture inside it turns into liquid water. Just like condensation on a cold drink. That water is then collected and passed through multiple filtration stages. These filters help remove impurities and make the water clean and safe to use. The final result is fresh water created directly from the air. No pipes, no wells, no water trucks, no plastic bottles. Just air and a simple system. Now let's talk about why this is such a powerful idea. The first reason is independence. You are no longer completely dependent on the city water system. You're not as vulnerable to droughts, water restrictions, or rising utility costs. You're taking control of your own supply. Imagine how reassuring it would feel to know that no matter what happens, you can still produce water. The second reason is cost savings. Many people spend thousands of dollars over their lifetime on bottled water, filters, and water bills. With a system like this, once it is built, you're producing water every day without constantly paying for it. The third reason is environmental impact. Plastic bottles create massive amounts of waste. Water transportation uses fuel and creates pollution. This system uses a renewable resource, the moisture already present in the air. Another important thing is how accessible this is. The guide is designed for beginners. It shows you what parts you need, where to find them, and how to put everything together. Everything is explained step by step. Many people say they were surprised at how easy it was once they started. You don't need expensive tools. You don't need technical experience. If you can follow basic instructions, you can build this. So who is this for? This is for families who want to feel secure, for people living in areas where water access is unreliable, for those preparing for emergencies, for campers, travelers, and off-grid lifestyles. Even if you never use it daily, knowing that you can is a powerful feeling. We live in a time where resources are becoming more uncertain. Water prices are rising. Droughts are increasing. And supply systems are under pressure. People everywhere are starting to look for alternatives. The Smart Water Box offers a way to be prepared instead of reactive. I truly believe this is one of the most interesting and important ideas I've seen in a long time. If this resonates with you, take a moment to check the link below and learn more. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.